Traders, August 26, 2018. It's a Sunday. The market's closed. Going to report on ticker symbol CELZ. Remember, we stated that it looks like it was heading lower. City People's going to go about 2.5 cents. If you was in my Penny Wealth chat room, you'll know that I spotted the bottom at 0.021 when I spotted the market maker. From there, just surged right back up, closed above 0.027 for the day, formed a hammer, high volume. This does look like her bottom. See the uptrend line right here? Went right near it, shot right back up for the day. It's up for the day. Don't know the exact numbers, not much, but took back all of its losses and ended up positive. Looking forward into what happens tomorrow and the rest of the week. It looks like it's going to head higher. Remember, we still have the resistance that you guys need to look out for. I'm just going to put this trend line to keep your eyes out on her, because that is the main factor of her going higher. I mean, she could bounce and retrace to this resistance level. Right now, the resistance is about 3.5 cents, but if she breaks through, she'll eventually go higher. Just a matter of time. Once again, this is Zelman. You can follow me at Trading Teacher. Don't forget to go to my site, thetradingteacher.com. We have upcoming live trading courses.